Hello everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to apologize for not being consistent in my uploadings, but I've been a little under the weather. I haven't been feeling too good these past couple of weeks, so I've been taking some time to rest and deal with my situation, get used to new medication. Again, please forgive me for not uploading the last couple of days, but I'm back. Your girl is here with, the second part of looking for Halloween. So in today's video, we're going to start right off. We're going to jump right in. We went to Dollar Tree. In Dollar Tree, they were putting stuff out. Not everything was out, but it was enough for me to just glance through and show you guys what they have so far. Like you see, they have these little potion bottles. They were glass, so I really wasn't too sold on it, but I still took some. But they're glass, so I'm afraid that they're gonna break. But they were so cute. They were little potion bottles. They had a lot of like in the beginning, they had a lot of ribbon, different types of ribbon. So if you want to do your own wreath, they had these little they were like little materials rolled up. I have a great project. I have a DIY for you to do with this. I will be posting that video soon. These were so cute. They were the perfect size. And you could do a lot with them. You could decorate, you could do little pillows if you want. And like you could see right here, they have a lot of ribbon, a lot of nice patterns this year for to be the dollar store. I really love the patterns that they had this year. A lot of options. If you like to go scary for Halloween, if you like to go more traditional, if you like to go more kind of cutesy, sky's the limit. There was a lot of options. This is also something new that they had. I never seen this before. It was like a little lantern. It is plastic, but they were a nice size. Hey, for $1.25, you can't go wrong. These little frames with the skulls, they were also cute. They light up. My son will be turning one on shortly. They light up. They're cute, but they're very small. Maybe for a tray, or maybe if you have like little shelves or something like that, because they were like a little smaller than your hands. This here I love. The Frankenstein face, and below is the Bride of Frankenstein. This is so cute. This is another DIY that I have for you guys. So stay tuned for that video. I have 5 DIYs that I'm going to do for Halloween. Not for Halloween, it's like dark decor. But these were so amazing because you could paint them whatever color you want. You could use them as stencils. You could put them in a frame and it's just sky is the limit. These were amazing. And this Bride of Frankenstein, she was gorgeous. I loved her. So they had many, they had like the castle, the cat, the pumpkin, the jack-o'-lantern, the little witch. They had the little cutesy ones, El Dia de los Muertos. They had so much to choose from. So again, if you want to go dark, or you want to go traditional, you want to go cutesy, you want to go childish, this year you got to give it to Dollar Tree. They're up there. They had these little lights that light up, that twinkled, these little ghosts. I mean, I was like, oh my god. And this wasn't it. Like, there was boxes in the aisles that like I can't wait to go back and see what they were going to put out. These little signs, you could say. They're small, but they're cute. I love this one that says the witch is in. It's gorgeous. I love it. It's me. I actually like that set. I'm going to go back and get it because I don't even know why I didn't grab it. Like, what was I thinking? Anyway, they have this little black Christmas tree. They had a lot of florals. It's like they had a lot. They had a lot of these skulls foam. Like last year, they had the actual foam skulls, but they really look like skulls. This year they have these that they're like more styrofoam type, and it's good because you could paint them however you want, and you could stack them up and do a tower of skulls. Anyway, again, the sky's the limit. And the other side, in the other aisle, they had the fall stuff. They had these cute little um pumpkins, and they were so squishy. They were like sweatery but very squishy. They were cute, different. I never seen them before. I don't know if you have over by you guys, but in my store by me, this is the first time they had it. Again, they had these little wooden things that you could paint and decorate as to how you like. I last year I got a couple of these, so these were repetitive. These cans, they were nice because they were kind of thick, believe it or not. They looked thin, but they wasn't thin, that they were very thick. So I liked it. That again, here is more of the like flush pillow typey sweatery pumpkins. These were really cute, just like throw in like a big bow or something. These were cute. I don't know what I would do with them. I'm just throwing ideas out there, but they were cute. They were really cute. Other than that, they had just the regular basic, you know, fall decor. They had a lot of stuff for you to make your own wreath. So they had like a lot of bows and stuff like that. They were cute, I guess. I'm not one to do, like, for me, fall is the way I decorate for fall is a light Halloween decor, if you get what I mean. So for me to decorate my house for fall, you barely gonna see fall. So yeah, you're gonna see a lot of pumpkins, but it's like kind of like easing you in to Halloween, because I just don't want to put all the Halloween stuff out. So for me, this is a lot of cutesy stuff. This little branch, I was so upset because this was the only one. I took it, but it was the only one. And these branches, if you go to Hobby Lobby or if you go to Michael's, these branches are like $4.99, $5.99. You probably find them even $7.99. Dollar Tree had them for $1.25, but I guess somebody got there before I did because, again, that was the last one. I took it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with just one branch, but again, I took it. Here we have that same material again, but for the fall pattern. I love the sunflowers. That was my mom's favorite flower, and that's my daughter-in-law's favorite flower. So I like that. They had nice patterns. I like that orange, black, and white checker. I like that one. These gnomes, oh my God. I dislike gnomes, but they're everywhere. Anyway, again, they had a lot of knickknacks here and there. I was just walking around trying to show what they have. They had these like aluminum, I guess I said that right, aluminum little thankful signs and stuff like that. They were small, but they were so thin. You know how I am with sharp stuff. Anyway, moving along to the signs. The signs this year in Dollar Tree were amazing. I don't know if it was me that I don't know. For me, it's like they painted them better this year. They were more detailed. They were more colorful. Like, there are signs that you will actually see in Michael's and in Hobby Lobby and all these other craft stores. Like, it hasn't been like in the past that the signs like been like chippy choppy. So this time, like this one right here had like twine around it with beads, and it was kind of thick. It wasn't a thin slab of fake wood. So again, I'm very happy with the signs. Florals, 2 thumbs up. They got a lot of nice florals out, and they were planning to take more out. So they're giving you options. They had a lot, again, just a lot of craft stuff, like basically do it yourself. So basically, if you have a style or if you have an idea of how you want to decorate, Dollar Tree is the place for you to go, because you could just buy it. If you're, let's say, like for example, you're looking for a red cross and you can't find a red cross, well, then buy the red cross made out of woods and paint it. You have options. They're giving it to you so you could pick the color and the style. So I like that. I like that. Again, you see, they had a lot of I don't know. It's just this time around, they were like, okay, let's give these people what they want. If you don't know how to decorate, you don't need to be an expert. Just go to Dollar Tree and pick up some of these little signs. You'll be surprised how you could decorate your living room with a couple of these signs, maybe one or two candles, a pillow, and like a throw blanket. You will make your living room look amazing. So little things like this, a lot of people look at it like, oh no, that's clutter. But if you know how to mix and match them, and you know how to put them together, you could bring a room together and make it look nice and cozy, especially now for the fall. um yeah, and you seen the picture that I showed, that it had like the recipes. I love those. They had a lot of cooking stuff. Right here, I was talking to the manager because she knows me. She was telling me that all this that you're seeing now is new. They had the baking plates, like for the little pot pies, the ceramic pot pies things. They had the cookie cutters for like with the witch hat, with the vampire teeth, with the coffin. They had like the little I don't know how you call them, like the little borders that you put around the cupcake, that it was like, you'll see it there. You also see it in my Halloween haul. They had the spoons to check. They had so much for baking for Halloween. I was amazed because they never had stuff like this. Well, at least by my store, they never did. As you can see, my hand is full, but I'm still yapping and talking with the manager. Anyway, moving on, I went right next door because right next door we had Big Lots. So I was like, let me see what they have. They didn't have much, but they are putting stuff out. They had these huge skulls. Them black skulls in the bottom, they were huge. I want to apologize. In the beginning, I did not look at prices. Then afterwards, I remember and I started showing prices. But the prices were decent. Some was a little exaggerated and some was, decent. They have a lot of nice spooky decor. Um, you know, how can I explain it? Like kind of like a haunted house vibe, kind of vintage vibe look. It didn't have a lot of faces or nothing. It had a lot of writing, which is good if you're somebody that don't like to decorate with actual, you know, faces on the pillows. Or I don't like faces on pillows and stuff like that. I'd rather do a little bit of writing and maybe like a scenery or something. I love these scary dolls. I love of them, but I can't buy them because my granddaughter will be terrified of them. But I had two already, and I have to like keep them away from her because if she sees them, she'll be scared, and I wouldn't do that to her. But they were gorgeous. They were gorgeous. They were a little on the pricey side, but they were gorgeous. Um, Again, they were taking stuff out because I've seen a lot of boxes. Here we have the famous, the one and only Jack. He always wanted to grace me with his presence, and his boy in the side, Mr. Boogie Boogie. Like, these are my homeboys. I love them. Jack was $30, and so was Boogie Oogie or Mr. Boogie, whatever you want to call him. They were $30 a piece, but they were so cute. They were heavy. They're not ceramic, but they were like a real heavy plastic. So I will pay, definitely. I will pay the $30 to get them. Um, Again, they had a lot of like witchy bones, skeleton, which I love that. I love that because one of my themes, actually the theme for my living room, I think I'm gonna go with a witchy theme. So I want everything to be witch in my living room. It's not set in stone yet, but I think that's what I'm leaning for. But these little towelettes were amazing. This runner was amazing as well, and for $12, it's not bad because it was very long. It was long, and then they have the little I got a brain fart. I forgot what you call these, the mats to match them, So they had a lot of hocus pocus stuff. Of course, the movie's coming out, so I think that's gonna be a big one this year. So they had a couple. So their prices range from like 10, 12, 16, 20, and then 25. So I like these table mats, but they're plastic. I really don't like them. This Hey Boo pillow was gorgeous. The color popped is cute. Like if you have a all dark living room, a black living room, you want to pop these just for color with a couple of orange candles and an orange little blanket. That's it. Your living room is decorated. This haunted house sign, it lit up. I don't know if you could tell, but this was also cute. It was really nice. It was well put together. It wasn't like cheapy choppy. It wasn't thin. It was nice and thick. It was $20, but it was worth it. I will pay for it. Let's see, this little I don't know what you call these things, but Happy Halloween is cute. Like if you want to put it like in the island or in the corner of your countertops or stuff like that. These were ceramic. They were heavy. They're cute because of the color, but I wouldn't buy it. The little skeletons, of course, because I love skeletons. Like who doesn't? That will definitely be in my kitchen. The Bon Appetit will be in my kitchen. The spooky sign was it was nice. I like the colors, the pattern, the palette of colors. I like it. The orange, I noticed there's a lot of orange this year, which is nice because you really don't see orange other than jack-o'-lantern. So, this sign is gorgeous. A wicked welcome. Again, the color, the orange, it just popped. I don't know. For me, it was attracting. Everywhere I would see the orange. So, but yeah, this is basically it. They had a couple like all these lanterns and stuff like that. They were on sale, so I don't know if they still on sale. Because I did record this video like a week ago, but I've been sick, so I was holding on to it. But all these were on sale. I think I'll put the sign up, yeah, right there. So if you like these type of lanterns and lamps, then run to Big Lots and grab yourself some before they be all gone, because you could use these for Christmas. Anyway, so yeah, I'm sorry that I didn't post, but this is the end of my video. I'm sorry that I'm just like speeding. I feel like I'm like talking 100 miles per hour, but I just wanted to get this video out to give you guys something. Definitely next week I'll be back. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Till next time, toodles.